In a single day, we are able to assemble almost 1,000 printed circuit boards. We provide end-to-end service from PCB design, PCB manufacturing to PCB assembly. We have solder paste printing machine, multiple pick and place machine, reflow oven and optical inspection facility. I welcome you to our small electronic manufacturing center at Technopark IIT Kanpur. Here we have our indigenously built solder paste printing machine, multiple pick and place machines, reflow oven, and with all these machines we are now in a position to offer electronic manufacturing services. As you can see, in a single day we are able to assemble almost 1,000 printed circuit boards, and therefore we are in a position to take bulk order for PCB assembly. So remember, Invariance automation is now taking orders for bulk production, and we provide end-to-end service from PCB design, PCB manufacturing to PCB assembly. So if you are in requirement of electronic manufacturing services, then remember the name Invariance Automation. At our facility we have solder paste printing machine, multiple pick and place machine, reflow oven and optical inspection facility. Because of this, we are able to provide you with the best quality of assembled SMD components. So if you are in a requirement of bulk production of your electronic solution, then please remember the name Invariance Automation. So if you want an in-house EMS facility, then please contact us at the below given link and give us an opportunity to serve you. Thank you.